Hi friends, welcome to Millets TV. Today we'll see a millet recipe, that is mango rice or mango pulihora with millets. For that we need peanut, chana dal, turmeric powder, green chili, red chili, urad dal, curry leaves, pinch of hing, mustard seeds, 1½ cup foxtail millet. Soak them for about 5 to 6 hours. I soaked them for 8 hours. For 1½ cup millets, I took 2 small mangoes. If it is a big one is good enough. Take 3 cups of water into the cooker. Let it boil. Once the water is boiled, add some oil and add millets. Close the lid and cook it for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let the pressure release by itself. Now we'll open the lid. Millets are cooked well. Now peel the mangoes. After peeling the 2 mangoes, grate them completely. Now the mangoes are grated well. Take a bowl on the stove. Add some oil. Once the oil is heat, add mustard seeds, peanut, urad dal, chana dal, and let them fry for some time. Now add curry leaves, red chili, green chili, pinch of hing, turmeric powder, and mix it. Now add the grated mango. And cook it well. Add salt to taste and mix it. Finally, add the cooked millets and mix it well. Add the millets little by little and mix it properly. That's it, friends. Simple and easy millet recipe mango pulhora is ready.